Edo 2020. Obaseki don't condemn the katakata wey shele for campaign ground. PDP candidate wey be Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don't accuse opposition party All Progressives Congress APC say na dem attack im party campaign train for Isako West local government area wey dey Edo State on Tuesday. Governor Obaseki follow im party supporters talk after the incident don shele as security agents quickly calm am down. In tok say this kind thing dey show say violence go dey well for September 19 governorship elections wey go soon shele. He tok say this attack na to disturb PDP campaign rally for the area and he call on President Muhammadu Buhari to chook mouth for the matter before Edo State go be center of violence. Obaseki tell Edo people to calm down and make them not attack or retaliate, but make them wait till election day to punish all the people wey dey cause all this kind of trouble with their votes.
What 10 is special, and you know why? This is where we will show finally who is in charge of the politics of Edo State. For more than 8 years, you know what I did for Comrade Oshiomhole. He said it with his mouth. I supported him to become governor. I raised money for him to win his first election. I used my brain to work for him and for Edo State for 8 years without one kobo. He won't do second term. You help and raise money, make it continue. If proper, is it fair for him now to come and say, you have done one term, go, I don't want you again? Is it fair? He do 8 years. He don't want to make I do 8 years. Una go agree? Una go agree? So today, with your own power, with the power of your PVC, we will show him that he is not God. We were coming here now, himself and his people. They went to hire thugs to begin to shoot so that we cannot come for this rally. But on September 19th, we will finally prepare them.
This one are the ogbonge information we carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As Governor Godwin Obaseki don't condemn the katakata wey shele for campaign ground for Isako West local government area of Edo State. Make una sabi say na TMC TV. Na carry this ogbonge update come give una. My name na Edo Gogo Edoleye.